Mini pond 1. One of the other things I've been doing is creating this mini pond. The pot there is watercress, that's samphire on that side, and we're just getting a couple of small Marsh Marigolds hopefully there. So I've put these stones in there to act as a base, but I will be pulling them up, the plants up, because they are marginals, they're not deep water. And if I just pull this one up a minute, there is a native oxygenating plant, so that's going to be in there. The water's a bit murky, but that's partly deliberate because I pulled it from the wind's getting up. Brought it up over from elsewhere.